In this quick Steam tutorial, I will show you how to stop strangers from commenting on your profile down below. Because when you scroll on your profile, everybody can leave a comment by default settings on Steam, and I will show you how to stop that from happening. And you can disable the public commenting very easily with just a setting. So for that, you have to reach your profile on Steam, hover your mouse over your name, then click on the profile, and once you reach your profile page on Steam, select here, press on Edit Profile to enter the general settings of Steam. And we are interested right here in the privacy settings, so let's click on the privacy settings, and down below here you can locate can post comments on my profile. Anyone can leave comments, this is by default I believe. So let's click on right here, and now you can select only your friends to leave comments, or down below no one can leave comments except for you. So if you select that, nobody will be able to leave comments anymore on your profile, or if you want only your friends to leave comments and not strangers who are not in your friend list, then you can go ahead with this one. But I will select this one, you can select which one you'd like, and that's all you have to do to stop people from commenting on your Steam profile page.